Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we discuss about what are loops in C++. In the previous video we discussed about what are switch case statements in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, we discuss about what is loop in C++. Basically, loop statement allow us to execute a statement or group of statement multiple times. Basically, loop statement is used when you have to run the condition multiple times. Then loop is used. Now discuss about types of loops in C++. There are 4 types of loops in C++. First, while loop, second, for loop, third, do while loop, and fourth is nested loop. First of all, we discuss about what is while loop. Basically, a while loop evaluates the condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the code inside the while loop is executed. The condition is evaluated again. This process continues until the condition is false. When the condition evaluates to false, the loop terminates. Basically, while loop is used when you have a condition. If the condition is true, then the code inside the loop is executed and the condition is again true, then the code is again executed until the condition is false. When the condition is false, then loop will terminate. Let's do some code to master while loop in C++. Create a folder in your suitable place and right click on it and click on open with code. It will redirect you to Visual Studio Code. If you have not watched the video getting started C++, installing VS Code and G++, do watch the video, because if you will not watch the video, you won't be able to run C++ program. Create a new file, tut10.cpp. Type header file has include iostream using namespace std. Int main function return 0. While loop in C++. First of all, declare variables int n comma I comma sum semicolon and give the value of I equal 1. I will give the reason of declaring these variable later. Take input from user, cout, enter a number semicolon, cin n semicolon. Now discuss about what are the syntax of while loop. Simply type while and you can see that code snippet for while loop and click on it. You can see that while condition and curly braces, and after curly braces you can see that you have to type code here. So in condition I will put I is less than or equal to 10. In the code type sum is equals to n into I. Basically, this program is used to print the table of the number which user want to get. Here sum is equals to n into I, cout, n, insertion operator, space, multiply, space, I, insertion operator, inverted comma, space is equals to sum, and endl, semicolon. And in the last, put increment operators, I plus plus, and after that run the program. Enter the number. If you will put 9, then you can see that 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 tens are 90. Table of 9 is printed in the terminal. Again run the program. I will put 150. Then you can see that the table of 150 is printed in the terminal. So this is the example of while loop. Do practice from yourself, and if you have any doubt, do comment out on the video. I will give the solution of your doubt. In the next video we discuss about what is for loop in C++. Still you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. You can also join my Telegram channel to get all latest update of the channel, and you can also join my coding discussion channel so you can easily solve your doubt. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, link is given in the description box. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.